Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to start a new series on Three.js, and this video is the first video of the playlist. So let's learn about Three.js. Three.js is a cross-browser JavaScript library to display animated 3D computer graphics in a web browser using WebGL. Basically, Three.js is a JavaScript 3D library. So before diving into code, let's see some examples. You can go to this link and explore on your own. um, brunosimon.com. Then you can go to pixelynx.io and you can test on your own. And there is another one, you can see roseisland.co. So that's what you can make using Three.js. First of all, you have to go to 3js.org. This is the official site of the 3js library, and there are codes. You can go through all the documentation to learn more. And first of all, start with the installation. There are several options to start using the 3js. Option 1, which is install with npm, or you can import from a cdn. So first of all, you have to install the node.js on your computer. uh, it is very simple. You can just search node.js, download on your browser, and then just download a file and install it as usual. If you already have installed it in your computer, you can check using node dash version. So I already have installed. So the version is 18.17.1, so I don't need to install it again. So I have a folder here which is learn code dev, and inside this folder there is another one which is 3js. And inside here I will open the command prompt. Just type cmd and command prompt. Now I'll run the command npm install save3. So it will install the 3 library, and then I have to install the vite. So I'll put npm install save dev vite. Now the third command, which is npx vite, it is basically similar as we do in react. Let's say npm run dev. Similarly here we have to put npx vite. It will run the project on localhost 5173. You can click and test. So it is not working for some reasons. Let's see what are the reasons. Okay, so to check the problem, to find the issue, we have to open the folder in VS Code, and as you can see, there is no HTML file. Whenever we run a website or web project, we must have at least one HTML file, but there is none. So we have to create, as it says on the documentation, that we should have an index.html file and a file called main.js. So let's create two files here. First one is index.html, second one is main.js. And then there is an example. If you click on the creating a scene button on left hand side, then you'll see there is an example, and you can just copy and paste code from here. I'm not now explaining everything, because I hope you know what all the tags mean. Basically I want to show you how to run your first Three.js project, uh, and later on I will explain everything to you. So first, now just copy from here and paste it on the file. So what is happening in the main.js is there is a function called animate, and it is basically animating a cube on the x and y direction, and then we are calling it below. So it is running, and then the main file is connected to HTML file. So basically the main.js file is rendering, and it is visualized inside the main index.html, and we can see the output on your local host. If you just click refresh, then you can see there is a cube. So to test it properly, and you can add more things if you want. For example, here insert the body tag, I will add another tag which is h1. Let's say my first Three.js project, and if you refresh, you can see that uh, there is my first Three.js project. So it is working completely fine. uh, Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps and inspires me to make more content. Thank you.